2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but I'm back with another sleigh. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, hey girl. Alright, so first things first, I've already flat ironed my client's hair bone straight. So what I'm going to do now is go in with my even lace bond hold spray, and I'm just going to mold her hair with a closed tooth comb. Throughout this tutorial process, you guys will see me constantly combing my client's hair into place. I'm going to be applying pressure too as well, just so I can make sure that this mold is flat as possible. All right, now depending on how thick my client hair is, I like to work into sections. It just allows me to further create a smoother hold, and everything will stay into place basically. So here it is again. I'm going to show you guys what I mean when I said I'll be pulling and tugging at my client's hair. It does not hurt you guys at all. I'm just constantly pulling, making sure that I comb from the root to the ends, and I'm just going to have my left hand hold it into place while I go over and set it with my blow dryer. So I'm going to repeat this process all throughout my client's head, but another thing I want to point out is when you're doing your sleek ponytails, this section right here that I just sprayed, it needs to be nice and smooth, because when you go to make your ponytail with the rubber band or whatever you're using, you want to make sure that you don't have any gaps or any separation or even bulging through her head when you go to make the ponytail. So it's very, very important that you comb and mold all the way through. And look at that, smooth as butter, baby. The hair is going nowhere. All right. I don't know where you guys are from, but down here in Texas, it gets extremely hot. And when I say hot, sis, it gets hot. Oh my God. With that being said, most of my clients, they sweat in their scalp. So when you sweat in your head, your roots starts to swell and your ponytail won't last as long. So that's why it's very important to flat iron your client's hair first, especially if you're natural, to flat iron your hair, get it as bone straight as you can, and follow through with just the even hairspray or the Got to Be hairspray. They both get the job done. And I use a closed tooth comb just to kind of like smooth everything out, like you see me doing right here. I go behind and I spray and I set it in my blow dryer, and that's my sleek ponytails. I've had clients tell me that this hairstyle lasted up to a month, so that's all I use, just the even or the Got to Be hairspray, and that's all as far as product. And look how smooth that turns out to be. And she's natural, by the way. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are in need or looking for some nice jewelry that won't break the bank, I suggest you check out her Instagram and her Facebook page at Queen Bee's Jewelry Box. I will leave everything in the description bar below for you guys to check out. I've purchased some items from her myself, and they only cost me like $5 a piece. So definitely check her page out, you guys, and show her some love. She has everything from bracelet, rings, necklaces, earrings. She even has jewelry for men. So no matter the occasion, my girl has everything you need. So check her out. Again, it's at Queen Bee's Jewelry Box on Facebook and Instagram. Thank me later. Okay, you guys, so this is why I said that it was very important for you to smooth the hair all the way through. It just allows you to make a smooth ponytail wherever you're going to put the rubber bands at without the hair being disturbed. All right, and then also when you're doing this part, just making sure that the blow dryer is not on high heat because it will pop the rubber band. I've had that done to me before.
Let's go.
All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take a wrapping strip and I'm just gonna wrap it around the base of this ponytail. And this is for when I start wrapping the extensions around this braid. The weight of the hair can cause a separation or a gap between her hair and the braid, and I don't want that. So wrapping the wrapping strips around the base of the ponytail and secure it with hair glue will prevent all that. Now this part is totally optional, you guys. You don't have to do this, although it is a good tip because I do have a rubber band above where I burnt the ends of the braid. And this is because, I don't know, for some reason I just feel like, I don't know, the rubber band can pop for whatever reason, or she could be combing her hair and accidentally tug the rubber band off the braid. So if that was to happen, she's okay because I burnt the end of the braiding hair, so it just secures her ponytail into place. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair that we're using today. It's the 12-inch Yaki straight. Even though it says 12 inches, this is an extended ponytail, so it's going to be a lot longer than 12 inches. Okay, and the hair that we're using is the purple pack. And yes, before you ask me, it's really called the purple pack. Weird, I know. My client also requests that she want her hair to come to at least her bra strap. So you know me, I'm be a little extra and give her a little bit more length.
Let's go.
Once I've done that, to smooth everything over, I'm just going to take my toothbrush. I'm going to dip it into the the Pump It Up spritz, and I'm just going to go over that ponytail to make sure it's nice and smooth. And before you know it, you guys, we are done. Thank you for watching my tutorial all the way through. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to cut that notification bell, or either click that notification bell so you be notified when I upload new tutorials. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the tutorial, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
I feel like a ballerina.
Right? It's pretty.